Today we are on site in Lake Allatoona in beautiful Georgia to measure and install EVA marine decking. Before we measure the boat, we need to get a few things prepared. Make sure that the boat is free and clear of any clutter, dry, and all the old flooring has been removed. The next step in the process is to lay out all of our targets. Each one of these targets is used to help get the proper sizing and scaling of the individual pieces. You will notice that each one of these pages has 6 targets on it, and they are all alphabetized. These are used as a coordinate system for the photo modeler software that will be used to create our pieces. Now that we have laid out all of our targets, we can take the pictures that we need. When taking pictures, please ensure that you get pictures both in a vertical orientation and a horizontal orientation. Take pictures from every angle all the way around each piece, ensuring there are enough targets in each picture. The minimum goal is 12 targets per picture. Once you've taken pictures of each area of the project, it's time to go back to the photo modeler software to create our vectors. The software that we will be using to import our photos into is called Photo Modeler. For a more detailed description of how to create projects and generate vectors, please visit Photo Modeler's website at photomodeler.com. Once we have created our project, it's time to generate our vector lines so we can export them to our design software. First, you would create a plane through the targets. Next, you would create an outline going around the non-skid area. And lastly, you would export the file as a DXF to open up inside your design software. In this view, you will see all of the camera angles that were used to create the individual pieces that we are going to cut out. Each one of those white lines is the outline of each piece that we are going to cut today. Now that we have exported our file as a DXF, it's time to open it up in our design software. Today we will be using VCarve Pro. You will see here that we have been able to import the DXFs of each one of our pieces. At this time, we used VCarve Pro to generate faux teak lines in our material. The next step is to generate our G-code so our machine knows what to do. Now we are going to look at a preview of our design to ensure what we are cutting is correct. Now that we've generated our toolpaths, it's time to go ahead and cut out our parts. Today we are going to use a CAMaster Panther 5' by 10' machine equipped with an automatic tool changer and an oscillating tangential knife. We are going to be using 2 different bits to accomplish our goal today. First, we are going to be using an end mill tool to create a flat pocket for our teak lines, and then we are going to be using a round over tool to create a nice soft edge. Let's go ahead and see it in action. Now it is time to change to the oscillating tangential knife and cut our outside profiles. And now it's time for installation. For more information about the steps in the process or the technologies that were used, please contact CAMaster Sales directly and visit our website at cammaster.com.